The 56-inch Tudor is a propeller-style ceiling fan with curved ABS blades and a color-changing light. The fan is rated for indoor use only and is remote control operated. The 56-inch blade span is best suited for great rooms that are 20 feet by 20 feet or larger. The fan can be installed on standard ceilings and ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. Use the menu to skip ahead, or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Ensure power is turned off at the breaker. On the fan motor assembly, bring a fan blade and align it with the holes marked with a line at the center. Place the blade support plate with screws over the holes and tighten all screws securely. Flip the motor, then insert and tighten 2 blade attachment screws underneath. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. Ensure the fan blades are properly aligned with each other underneath the motor. Prepare the canopy assembly by twisting and removing the canopy bottom cover. Remove the non-slotted canopy mounting screw. Loosen the remaining slotted screw. Twist and lift the canopy to remove the hanger bracket. On the ball down rod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the down rod. Remove the exposed cross pin. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. Slide the wires through the down rod and insert it into the collar. Align the holes, then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Note that the down rod does not need to be completely tightened into the collar. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Slide the coupling cover, canopy bottom cover, and canopy over the down rod. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to insert the cross pin and tighten the set screw against the side of the down rod. If you purchased a longer down rod to install on the fan, you can use the included wire extenders to provide more length. The wire extenders are not required if using the down rod included with the fan. At the ceiling box, remove the 2 outlet box screws. Bring the mounting bracket up to the box and align the holes. Insert and tighten the removed screws securely. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the ceiling and place the ball into the hanger bracket. Turn the fan to align the groove in the ball with the tab on the bracket. Bring the receiver up to the ceiling and slide it into the hanger bracket with the flat side facing up. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, down rod, receiver, and mounting bracket together with a wire nut. Note that the ground wire from your ceiling box may be green or bare copper. Combine the white wire from the receiver with the neutral wire from the outlet box. Combine the black wire from the receiver with the hot wire from the outlet box. Connect the 3-pin wire connectors from the receiver and the fan together. Connect the 2-pin wire connectors from the receiver and the fan together. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Carefully press and tuck the wires around the sides of the hanger bracket and receiver. Lift the canopy over the canopy mounting bracket screw and twist to hold in place. Insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Slide the canopy bottom cover over the screws and twist to lock into place. With the fan mounted, the light kit can now be installed. Bring the LED light kit up to the fan and connect the 2-pin wire connectors. Locate the notches on the light kit. Locate the tabs on the light kit mounting plate. Align the light kit notches over the tabs and twist to lock into place. Bring the glass shade up to the fan. Align the notches on the glass with the tabs in the light kit and press and turn clockwise until snug. Power can safely be restored at the breaker. The assembly is complete and the remote is now ready for setup. On the remote, install the included batteries. Press the on-off button to begin using the fan. By default, the remote's dip switch is in the 0 position and the fan is set to universal operation mode. It will accept commands from any remote in range. If you have multiple fans, they will all be able to work with the same remote. To have the fans paired to individual remotes instead, follow these 3 steps to set the fans to paired operation mode. First, set the dip switches in the battery compartments of all remotes to the 1 position. Second, turn off power to the fan being paired for a few moments. Then restore power. Third, within 60 seconds, press the Learn button in the battery compartment of the remote. The fan will power on and the light will flash on and off to indicate the pairing was successful. Repeat the pairing process for any remaining fans. Once completed, all paired fans will only accept commands from the remotes they were paired with. If you are experiencing issues with the fan or want to set the fan to universal operation mode again, you can factory reset the fan's programming. First, set the dip switch to the 0 position. Next, turn off power to the fan for a few moments, then restore power. Within 60 seconds, press the Learn button in the battery compartment of the remote. The fan will power on and the light will flash on and off to indicate it has been factory reset. Press the on-off button to toggle both the fan and the light at the same time. Every time the fan starts up, the blades will move back and forth for a few moments as part of a self-calibration process that ensures a balanced and energy-efficient operation. Press the plus or minus buttons to turn the fan on and to increase or decrease the fan speed. Press the Comfort Breeze button to toggle Comfort Breeze mode, a feature that produces a natural feeling breeze by alternating between lower and higher fan speeds. Setting 1 alternates through speeds 1 through 3, setting 2 alternates through speeds 4 through 6, and setting 3 alternates through speeds 7 through 9. Press the timer button to automatically turn the fan and light off after a certain amount of hours have passed. You can set the timer to 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. Pressing the button a 4th time will disable the timer. With the fan running, you can use the reverse buttons to change the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Press the light button to toggle the light on or off. Hold the dimmer button to slowly cycle through the light's different brightness settings. Press the correlated color temperature button to cycle through the 3 color temperature options. The fan can be set to 3000K soft white, 4000K bright white, and 5000K daylight. An optional wall holder for the remote is included. Remove the cover and use the included screws to attach to any wall. Reinstall the cover and place the remote in the holder. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance with the fan, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.